Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 2D object by using Creo Parametric. Let's get started. Go to New, Part and Solid Modeling. Use default and tick. Just click OK. We are using as a unit. Click OK. Now I'm just taking front plane, sketch view. Now go to the model. Now I'm going to explain the same geometry using two methods. First method is our geometry is symmetric, so that I'm going to model a one-off, then I will mirror it. Okay. Second method, I'm going to use a dimensioning with a different technique. So first go to the model. First, for symmetric, make this center line, press roller to confirm. Now first start with this small line. Okay, start with small line and press the roller to confirm and specify the dimension. Now this dimension is 60. Press enter. Fit screen. Now just go to the model. I have created one of this. I have created a line from this point to midpoint. Then I will create this sketch by using freehand sketch. Go to line. Now the required dimension we wanted is this bottom one, this 20, 45, 30, this is 5 and this is 90 degree. This dimension we wanted, this is they are specified, this is they are not specified, instead they have specified this dimension. This dimension we wanted, this dimension we don't want. Instead we want a dimension of, go to dimension from here to here. Another, these both points are in to parallel, select this, cancel it, and this side go to dimension from here to here. Now change this dimension by using modify option. Go to modify, click this one, click this one, click this one. This dimension they are not given actually, so leave it. Click this one. Now go to the model and this one, just expand this one. First go to, this is 45, go to the model, this height is 45, enter. just untick this one, regenerate. Okay, then go to here, this distance is 20 and this distance is 30. The height is 25. Just click OK. This way, yes, this dimension we are not specified as. So go to dimension, go to dimensions, close it, go to dimension, click this point, click this parallel and click this one. Click this one, go to dimension, select this edge, select this mid axis, select this edge and this angle. This angle is 90 degree. Delete it. 90 degree. $25. Then automatically this distance will be 5. Select this one, that is 5. Undo it. Now we have created our sketch. Then go to mirror. For that, select our sketch lines. Press the Ctrl and hold. Select all the lines. Now we have selected these lines. Then go to make center line. Now select these lines, mirror, select this axis. Now we have mirrored it. So actually this distance is 45. Now we have created our geometry by using simple dimensioning. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.